Hello friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. In today's video, I will share with you some fabrics I purchased from Joann fabric store, and also I will share with you my money saving tips and tricks that you guys can also use and save some dollars and buy yourself some beautiful fabrics. So let's begin. So my first tip for buying at Joann Fabrics is I would recommend you download Joann app. That way you will have immediate access to coupons, reward points, and also you will be able to see all the deals that they put out. So I have been using their app and I have found success. When I first started buying from Joann's about 2 years ago, I did not know how to shop and I used to find their fabric extremely expensive. Then I realized that most of the times, for 3 to 4 days out of the week, they do really good sales and they're called doorbusters. So always be on the lookout for doorbuster sales, especially if you are interested in buying their cotton fabric like keepsake calico on a doorbuster. I have even seen it at $3.99. Normally it's $4.99 and the regular price can be anywhere from $10 to $25. So just imagine. And also you always earn points. And most of the times when I buy fabric up to $40, then Joanne usually sends me a $5 reward to use on my next purchase. So keepsake calico you can find at $4.99 most of the times. Super snuggle fleece you can find at $2.99. Their broadcloth, the symphony broadcloth, you can find at $2.99. Quilting cotton at $2.99, and also their uh, sometimes so classic broadcloth is $3.99 or $4.99. So, and I don't buy much fleece, but fleece also goes on these doorbuster sales very often. So always look out for the doorbuster sales. So another thing I want to share is that a lot of the beautiful apparel fabrics go on sale. I have seen them go on sale up to 50% off. The silky fabrics, knit fabrics, even denim fabrics go on sale up to 50% off, but not that often, so you have to be on the lookout. So if you have the app, that can be really helpful, or if you get their flyer, so you should always take advantage of those sales. And then you can combine, if something is not a doorbuster, then you should be able to combine it with the coupon. Like you can get uh, $5 off of 35, 10 off of 50, and 15 off of 75. So all these savings can add up. And then lastly, you can save money if you buy end of bolt. So for example, you find a fabric which is wrapped on a bolt. You only needed 2 yards, but there is half a yard extra. So that half yard, if you buy, then they give it to you for an additional 50% off of the sale price. And then lastly, always look in the remnants area. Um, so for that, I would suggest that not all Joann stores are the same. For example, I have three in my area that I can drive up to, and at two of them, the remnants are always smaller than 1 yard. But there is this very nice store near my office where I find remnants. A lot of remnants are 1 yard, and la couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, the remnants were of additional 75% off. So that's how I was able to snag a lot of good deals. Alright, so let me start showing now the fabrics. So these are the remnants that I got from Joann, and altogether I paid $14 for these, in which I have one, two, three, 4, 5 full yards, and one is a little less than a yard. So now let me show you each of them individually. One second. So here is the first fabric. I think it's very beautiful. It's on some kind of a mesh type of fabric, and normally it's $30 a yard, but on sale I paid $5 for it, and this is a 1 yard remnant. So actually, let me just open it so you guys can see. So this is the fabric, and I have some lining fabric that I had bought from Walmart that will go perfectly with it. So I can either create a blouse with short sleeves, or I can create a dress, and I can use this for bodice and sleeves, and then I can use either a satin or some other fabric and combine it, or I can use it just to create some very fancy sleeves. So I was very happy with this purchase. So next is this, a stretch velvet. It is also 1 yard, and I I paid it, so I can easily either sew a pencil skirt or a t-shirt or a blouse with this amount of fabric. And of course I can combine it with something because I love color blocking anyways. This is another one. Another, I think this was also $3 or $4 for a yard. It's a really high quality, and I like the color dark purple skirt with it, or I can use it to create a vest. I mean, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with all this. A suiting fabric, and it's also original 75% off. And then I have these two. There's some kind of a viscose cotton. And because this fabric was on clearance, and it had that red sticker with an additional 25% off. I bought this 3 yard cut for $11. Can you believe? This will make a very pretty dress, a flowy skirt. So like I was saying that if you buy end of bolt pieces, so this was a clearance fabric, and then it had like a little piece extra beyond the 1 yard. I got this for like I think $4.50, and this is a very nice crepe. I love the print. So that I got. So similarly, like it was clearance and then end of bolt. So this is also like about 1.5. and then an additional 25% off. It's some kind of a silky type, but it's not that shiny. But I love the print. It's almost 5 yards, so I feel like I'm all set. I can pretty much sew any kind. So now I'm all set. Double brush poly, and I got it for $4 a yard. I like this print, and it's wide width 3 yards. This this is some kind of no, it's a it's like a velvet, but it's like an embossed kind of velvet. So it's stretchy, and I got it in three pieces because that's how I saved money on the end of the bolt. It's the same fabric, but I got 3 pieces, and so now I have plenty to make anything that my heart desires. And for green color fabric, I love green color, and I find it difficult to find green in the stores, or usually it's not a very popular choice. So I got this fabric for $6 for 3 yards. I mean, that's like less than Walmart. So those are all the fabrics I wanted to share with you all today. I know these are a lot, but I will be busy sewing for a long time, and they don't go bad. I can store them. I know some people have fabric for years and years. I think that's better than buying ready to wear clothes that become too tight or too loose, depending on your body, if you lose weight or gain weight. If you have fabric, you can sew yourself a new garment. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Alright, friends, I hope you enjoyed my fabric haul. You got some inspiration and ideas, and you learned how to save money. Okay, then I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.